Hey guys, thank you for checking my video out. Today we are discussing another core service on the AWS platform, and that is a VPC. You may have heard of this and you may be unfamiliar with what it is, but a VPC is no more than a virtual private cloud. It's used to manage resources on AWS. So, as with any other cloud provider, they have this concept of a VPC. So, Azure, Google, of course, AWS has a VPC, and basically, this allows you to you have the ability to manage your network interfaces between your any of your resources that you may provision in AWS. So this could be your web servers, your EC2 instances, anything of that nature. And associated with the VPC are a couple key things. You have you have a default VPC and a custom VPC. Then we talked about the default things that get created for you. Also, you have a default security group, default internet gateway, default route table. But the VPC allows you to go in and customize all of that. So when you create your AWS account, you will have a custom VPC that you get out of the box, and then you can go on to create your own VPC. And that is the topic for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.